Hi, today I'm making a kale pesto slash dip, and I wanted to share this because it is a template that you could use for really making any type of dip or sauce or spread or whatever you would like to make. I usually start off with some type of a base, so today I'm going to use cashews. You could also use any other type of nuts or seeds, and I'm going to soak them. Usually get them raw and just soak them in water for as long as I have. So sometimes it's 24 hours, sometimes it's 15 minutes, sometimes it's a couple hours. Whatever works for you, but that could be your base. So choose your nuts or seeds, soak them in water, and then we're going to actually blend it up to make a creamy base. You could also use a type of cheese that you love. So oftentimes I'll use like a soft goat cheese. Sometimes you can find them locally made. So my goat cheese maker is Sadie. Absolutely love her cheese. And so you get your base, and then I usually add some type of vegetable. Today I'm making kale, so it will be like a kale pesto, and I'm gonna season that with maybe some nutritional yeast if I feel like it. So the Bragg's has a nutritional yeast, or you can find. I often try to find like different sources for them and see if I can get it in bulk somewhere. Then you can just add other seasonings like salt and pepper, but going back, a version of it you don't have to do kale. You could do any dark leafy green, or you could even do beets, you could do carrots, you could do peas, you could do whatever vegetable you want. So I definitely want to challenge everyone to see what you can come up with. Just trying to follow that template of a creamy base, whether it's dairy based or nut based. Choose your vegetable, choose your seasonings, whip it all up in the blender, and definitely share. I love seeing what everyone's doing and what adventures you're taking in your own kitchen. So send away.